Hi folks, welcome back. So today we're going to see about the branding feature. Branding lets you refine the visual appearance of the annotation boxes to align with your brand identity and elevate the user experience. So primary color, it lets us customize the color of the main button, which guides the users seamlessly throughout your annotations. This is this one. So this is in black. Maybe do we change the color? No, black looks perfect. All right. Background color maintains the brand consistency by setting the background color of the annotation box. Fable automatically provides us a set of annotation box colors after we create the demo, and we can choose one from that. This blue shade, this blue shade. Nope, this looks good. Font color ensures readability and brand cohesion by choosing the perfect text color inside the annotation box. White looks perfect. Do we change it to black? No, white it is. Border radius crafts a sleek and polished look by adjusting the curvature of the corners. Maybe let's try changing this to 14. This is good enough as well. Show Fable watermark. Note that the watermark feature can be disabled in our paid plans. Coming down in the advanced section to border color, this adds distinction and style with a defined border color surrounding the annotation box. Black is perfect as always, but this red look good? No. Maybe any other color? No. Let's go back to black. Alright, coming down, selection color. This highlights the elements on the page with the color that grabs attention without overwhelming. So this is blue over here as this also matches with our background color. Coming down to font family, this aligns the text with your brand's identity by selecting the perfect font for your annotations. So maybe let's try changing this to this one. Oh, this looks decent. We'll go ahead with this. Selection effect. This is now in this one, so let's go on box. All right. This is a regular one. Maybe we put to blinking. This gives a blinking effect. But if we change the shape to selection shape to pulse, we can customize the shape, in a way where we want to highlight and draw the user attention where it matters most. Padding optimizes readability and visual appeal by setting padding around the text inside the annotation box. So this is currently at 1010. Maybe we can change this to 1014. Yeah, this looks decent. With Fable's branding feature, each annotation becomes a canvas for your brand story. Let's customize and captivate together. Thank you, folks. Please stay tuned for further videos.